Hello, my name is Mr. David Watt. I'm a consultant plastic surgeon and medical director here at the Skin Surgery Clinic and Good Skin Days in Guiseley and Harrogate. My role as medical director is to advise on existing and new treatments that we offer here, as well as providing advice to other members of staff. The type of treatments that I carry out here include minor surgery for skin conditions such as cysts and seborrheic keratosis, laser ablation of moles and seborrheic keratosis, as well as some cosmetic procedures such as upper blepharoplasties. I normally work here in Guiseley on Tuesdays and have a clinic in Harrogate on Wednesdays. As a consultant plastic surgeon in the NHS, I work at Bradford Teaching Hospitals and I have been a consultant there since 2004.